Hey guys, how's it going? I'm enjoying some home time here at home, and I'm actually in this little go-kart that my dad put back together with a bunch of recycled parts, including this go-kart that he found in the neighborhood a couple years ago. It's got a skateboard seat. Put everything, new clutch in the back. I'm gonna go for a little ride. Let's go and take it real quick, see how it does. Yeah! Alright, we're gonna hit this turn, guys. Woo! Oh, a little bumpy back here. Oh Lord, just a little bumpy. Woo-hoo! Yeah, everyone, that's fun. There goes my pops. The ride's pretty cool. It's just real bumpy back here, guys. This is the back part of my parents' house. It's a very, very bumpy back here. So that ride was you could feel everything, especially when you're sitting on a skateboard with a pillow as a seat. You feel everything on your ass. and those go-karts have no suspension system, so you feel every single bump. It's almost like driving a truck a little bit, but it's fun. I had to change my name to Johnny Go Kart. See when he comes back. All right, here he comes. You can see him like bumping around. Woo! Yeah!